Revolutionize video editing with free AI tools. Edit like a pro with Canva. Create stunning visuals with DALL-E. Bring ideas to life with Midjourney. Transform text into video with ElevenLabs. Get instant editing with Runway. Enhance video quality with Perplexity. Make videos interactive with Leonardo AI. Counting down the top tools now. 10. Notion AI simplifies editing. 9. Claude generates video scripts. 8. ChatGPT writes video descriptions. 7. DALL-E creates custom thumbnails. 6. Midjourney designs video intros. 5. Canva makes video templates. 4. ElevenLabs adds voiceovers. 3. Runway edits video footage. 2. Perplexity removes background noise. 1. Leonardo AI adds special effects. These tools are game changers. Start using them today. Take your video editing skills to the next level. This is part 5 of the free AI tools series. Catch part 6 by subscribing now. Stay ahead of the curve with our channel. New videos are posted regularly. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Join the community and learn more about AI tools. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Subscribe and catch part 6 of the series. Learn about the latest free AI tools. Improve your skills and knowledge with us. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and subscribing.